Gaming laptops have always had one big problem. And now, unfortunately for the Asus ROG GA402X, the main issue with this compact but powerful 14-inch laptop is the cooling. And like all gaming laptops, that is going to be your main issue. Now, for the most part, these laptops do come with pretty decent thermal paste, and even using liquid metal to keep their CPU and GPUs just ever so cooler, still, they do not have a big enough fan nor the best airflow to keep the laptop as cool as possible. We're going to be going through the entire laptop, showing you just what is good about this laptop and just what might not be so great. Now, getting into the specifics of this laptop, you can already see that it is beefy. The fans, however, are where this laptop struggles. Normal 16-inch and 17-inch gaming laptops will have a bigger cooling system, and the cooling blocks will be a lot better. That pulls in more air and keeps your CPU and GPU cooler. However, when you are getting a compact gaming laptop, something like this 14-inch, it can run into issues where it gets too hot and then your performance suffers. Knowing that going into it, I think, is the biggest thing, especially because of its size. It cannot have a big enough battery too, so the battery life is going to be something else that struggles. Now, the battery may be beefy, but it only has a capacity of 4,920 milliamps, which is significantly smaller than some other computers that you would find for the same price range, specifically Dell and Alienware's, or even the Asus ROG Zephyrus bigger cousin, or even the 16-inch Asus ROG Zephyrus, which is around the same price point and may have better cooling and bigger fans. One good thing that this laptop does do that most compact gaming laptops won't is that it does have expandable memory. That being said, the main stick of RAM that it does come with is soldered onto the board, but it does have one DDR5 compatible RAM expansion slot, which you can add more RAM if you need it, if you can afford it, as the RAM prices have exponentially doubled in recent years. There are a few things that you must know. In order to actually get to different parts of the computer, you will have to take out the logic board. And in some cases, taking out the logic board, you will have to take out the heatsink. Now, this heatsink does have liquid metal, so if you are removing your heatsink, be very, very careful, because if that liquid metal can get onto anywhere of your logic board, it can damage it extremely bad. We've gotten a bunch of these in, and unfortunately, it does cost a good amount in order for us to clean liquid metal off of a logic board. One other repair that a lot of people overlook is that if the screen is damaged, there are two different ways in order to repair it. So hypothetically, if the display and other parts of the display assembly, like the LCD backplate or the bezel, are damaged, you can get the entire LCD assembly. These are sold not only on TEKDEP.com, but also just about every retailer that you can find for computer parts. But it is a lot cheaper, and if you know how to do it, to replace the inner display as long as everything else is undamaged. We do have a couple videos on that for like models, so feel free to check out those down below. But if you are looking for one specifically for this model, feel free to leave a comment and we can definitely go ahead and handle all of that. Now, when you are handling a logic board of this size and configuration, it's always good to know what you're getting into. Watch a video before, make sure that you are fully aware of what you need to take out in order to replace your keyboard or your trackpad, and then go through with it only when you are sure that you are fully aware of all the ins and outs. For example, as you can see, the only repair that you need to take off the actual heatsink and to expose the liquid metal and the other thermal paste is if you were to swap out your fans or do an in-depth cleaning of your motherboard to make sure that it is running as cool as possible. So in the event that you do need to do that, I would say find professional help. Liquid metal can be a little dangerous, so feel free to go ahead and watch a couple videos on it before attempting it. And if you don't feel comfortable, go ahead and fill out a mail and repair form on our website or come see us in store in Los Angeles. We can take all the hassle out of it. Super easy. And then that way you do not have to worry about damaging your motherboard with the specific cooling features that it has. Now let's get to the pros and cons. So a 14-inch gaming laptop is great. It's mobile, you can take it with you anywhere, it's light, and it has just enough power to do just about everything you could think of gaming-wise or video production and editing. Now, if you are getting it for something like that, be aware of extended periods of time or this computer is running at max. That can not only allow your computer to stay at too high of a temperature for too long, which could damage internal components, but it could also have effects on your overall performance, which may make you think that you have made a bad purchase. Now, when a computer is under stress for a long time and is overheating, that can do something called thermal throttling. And the way to fix that is just simply turn it off and let it cool down. And especially if you're noticing after long sessions, multiple hours, that the performance is going down, it's good to just take a break, give your computer a rest before that damage is irreversible. And if you've had it for a while, regular maintenance is great for this specific computer. So send it into your local shop or send it in here to TEKDEP, and we can make sure that your thermal paste and your liquid metal is fully replaced and your computer is running just like new. If you do need any of the parts listed in this video, or you need a little bit more clarification from some other videos we have, feel free to take a look at our entire catalog here at TEKDEP.com. And if there's anything specific, go ahead and leave a comment and we might be able to answer those questions for you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.